This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing clean hands and a soft surface. This prevents debris from entering the speaker. Once set, remove each AirPod and pull the old rubber tip straight off. Do not twist, because the internal nozzle is delicate. If a tip resists, apply steady outward force while supporting the nozzle with your thumb. Make sure you have the replacement Pro 3 tips oriented correctly and keep the removed tips aside for inspection. You'll check the inner seal, next to confirm there's no trapped lint or damage. Now take the new AirPods Pro 3 tip and align its internal notch with the nozzle. You do this to ensure the retention tab seats properly. Press straight onto the nozzle until you feel or hear a light click. That click confirms the locking mechanism engaged. Once attached, gently tug the tip to verify it won't detach. Also, visually inspect the outer edge so the rubber sits flush. A proper seal matters for ANC performance and bass response, so correct seating directly affects sound quality. Finish by placing each AirPod in your ear and performing a quick listening test. Speak, move your head, and confirm noise cancellation engages because fit determines ANC efficiency. If sound is muffled or one bud is quiet, remove the tip, inspect and clean the nozzle with a dry brush, then reattach firmly. If issues remain, reset your AirPods in Bluetooth settings and reconnect. This often resolves software-detected fit problems. Troubleshooting tip. If a tip repeatedly detaches, swap sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.